Okay, hi. People are asking about what's the best diet for someone with lipedema. And we describe the best diet as an anti-inflammatory diet. And that is a diet that emphasizes whole foods. Those are, foods that are less processed, that come more how they come out of the ground, or are cuts of meat or fish or chicken that are not processed. The cornerstone of an anti-inflammatory diet emphasizes whole, low-carb vegetables, and that should be the biggest part of the anti-inflammatory diet. And then healthy fat, and healthy fat is like avocado and olive oil, coconut oil. Those are healthy oils. They're anti-inflammatory, and they are the omega-9 or omega-3. And so you want the odd number of omegas if you're into the actual names of the fats. But a simple way is just to know that your olive and avocado oils are healthy, and your saturated and soybean oils are not as healthy, or more pro-inflammatory is what we say. And then your protein sources, fish, chicken, meat, all those protein sources can be good part of a healthy diet, but you want to avoid, the most processed meat for sure. Your lunch meats, or sausage or bacon, those sort of things. And then we also talk about how we want to minimize, or have the least avoid as much as possible, your refined carbs. And that's going to be your bread, sugar, pasta, rice, corn, potatoes. So all those refined carbs, they increase the blood sugar and stimulate insulin, which is pro-inflammatory. And so we know the lipedema tissue, especially the lipedema adipose tissue, is inflamed or worsened by the insulin. And then now that's the big overview. Now each person with lipedema really benefits from individualizing their diet. So some people also can be gluten intolerant, or some can be dairy intolerant, or some can even be intolerant to meat. And so you have to, that's going to be on an individual basis, but you have to pay attention. Anything that's going to inflame your gut is going to inflame your whole body, and that's going to make your lipedema disease worse. So the healthiest diet is one that doesn't inflame your gut and helps your lipedema heal.